The Rebar Weight Calculator, per foot and length, quickly determines the total weight of reinforcing steel bars for your construction project. Let's walk through the inputs. First, we have the Rebar Size drop-down menu, where you select from standard bar sizes, ranging from number 3 with 3/8 inch diameter up to number 18 with 2 1/4 inch diameter. For this example, I'll select number 5 with 5/8 inch diameter. Next, enter the length in feet. I'll input 25 feet for this demonstration. Finally, the quantity field asks for the number of bars, which defaults to 1. I'll change this to 12 bars. Now I'll click Calculate Rebar Weight. The calculator instantly provides the weight per foot for the selected rebar size, showing how much each linear foot weighs. It then calculates the weight per bar by multiplying the per foot weight by your specified length. Finally, it displays the total weight by multiplying the individual bar weight by your quantity, giving you the complete weight for all 12 bars, at 25 feet each. This total weight is essential for material ordering and structural load calculations. Find the link in the description below.